Hi guys. Hi Miss Addie. Connor. Your turn. Come on, Bo. There you go. Connor, hey, whoa. Ooh, you're making raspberries. What are you doing, baby? Connor, hey. Missus, what are you doing? Addie. I like your cute little barrette. We just started applesauce today. Mmm, yummy. We liked it, didn't we? Yes, that would be a yes, Mama. I liked it. All right, kiddos. You're growing up so much. I'm proud of you. Oh. Oh. Hey. Your turn. Your turn. What's up there? That's the light. Oh, it was just a little one. You running out of steam, baby? Yeah. All right, guys. We love you. Here, Miss. Let's show everybody what a good eater you've become. You ready? Here we go. Addie. Did you like that pea? It was good, huh? Was that good, Mrs.? Happy eating.